How to use maps on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can use maps on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to use maps on iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all download the Apple Maps application or Google Maps, whichever is comfortable for you. You can go ahead and then select that and download it to your device. Now maps only works if you have enabled location access, so make sure that you have enabled location access over here. And once you have enabled location access, now you can simply navigate using the directions, right? So by default, to view your current location, you can tap on this little icon here. Now if you want to go ahead and then select a destination, select that, select a destination where you want to go to, then just tap on this address option, then tap on it. Now right here you should be able to see all the directions for this, and once you select a certain direction, you will be able to go ahead and then navigate on Apple Maps. This way you can use Maps app on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.